Welcome to the second day of video content making on for YouTube, and this is going to be my second video. Hi again. Good morning. Autumn is here, and as you can see, तू मान मेरी जान, तुझे जाने ना दूंगा मैं तुझको। So today I'm early. Basically, I don't talk much in my videos so that the viewer can enjoy the best of nature's sound and how morning feels like. The whole point is, a lot of people do not get to see what it looks like in the morning, and this is actually a motivation to all of those people to wake up and see and enjoy the nature's voice. I read it in a lot of spaces that if I show my face, then I'll probably reach out to a wider audience. So here it is. This is me, and I'm trying to start my weight loss journey by making consistent content, and obviously I'm trying to capitalize on it. So cheers to this. And from here, so the whole concept of making these videos is just to give a glimpse of the first round of whatever place I go for a walk. And this is around 500 steps, and I'll make rounds of this park. So thank you for watching, and I hope you're doing good and well, and wish you all the love. Thank you.